Good morning, dear students. Myself, Miss Urvi. Today I am going to teach you geography. So, we are going to start with the second lesson of geography, that is rules are for everyone. Okay, so you can take your textbook of Environmental Studies Part 1, and on page number 28 we are having the lesson rules 6th lesson, but it is our geography's second lesson. Okay, so we are starting with the second lesson of geography. So can you tell me what is meant by rules? Yes, rules means something or a statement which we are allowed to do, or sometimes we are not allowed to do. Such statements are called as rules. Okay, so children, we have mostly three types of rule. Okay, or we are going to see the types of rules. So the first type is traffic rules, next social rules, nature's rules. Okay, so here we will see in short about this three types of rules. Traffic rules. So can you tell me some of the traffic rules? Or now you may be recalling some of the traffic rule, isn't it? So for example, we can say wearing seat belt while driving the vehicle. Okay, or the second one we can say, like for example, we have to drive the vehicle. Whenever we are driving the vehicle, if the signal shows red signal is there, we have to stop the vehicle. We have to start the vehicle when we get green signal, correct? So these are the some rules which we follow, and that are called as traffic rules. So is it necessary to follow these traffic rules? Yes, children, we have to follow these traffic rules, because if we don't follow them, there may be chances of accidents. Yeah, so if there are accidents on the way or on the road, because of one vehicle, other vehicles will be not able to move properly, and there will be problem of traffic jam. Yes, or you will be late in reaching certain places. This even disturbs our social life. Okay, so it is necessary to follow all the rules in a proper way. Now we'll go to the second type, that is the social rules. Yes, social rules are made for each and everyone. Each person is allotted or given certain duties and responsibilities. For example, nowadays we are going through a situation, or we are facing one of the virus, that is coronavirus. Yes, so it is spreading in our locality, everywhere it is present nowadays. So we are also made to follow certain rules that each and every person has to follow, is it? It may be a old man, medium age, or the smaller ones like you. Yeah, so everybody has to follow this rule. So what are the rules done nowadays? Can you just recall? Yes, so the first rule what comes to our mind, that is wearing a mask whenever we are going outside of a house. Mostly old people or the small ones like you are not allowed to go outside. Now we will see today onwards we are having total lockdown, is it? We are only able to go out of the house if it is very essential. So whenever we go out of the house, we have to wear mask, and we have to follow the rule of social distancing. Yes, you all may be knowing all these things. You are doing it, you are following these rules, and because of that we all are safe today. Yes, so other rule, once you come in the house, you have to you may be washing your keeping the clothes for washing. You will be having bath, sanitizing yourself properly whenever you come in the house. Yes, your parents especially. Then in the house they are telling you keep on washing the hands, is it? So you may be doing that thing. So these are also a good example. This is also rule made for everyone. Yes, so following these rules, if we follow these rules properly, children, we can be safe from this disease. And in this way there are also certain other social rules, and we are following that social rules, and because of that our life has become disciplined. And so nowadays we are following that we are not able to come together, so we are doing this kind of teaching, that is audio lectures, video lectures, is it? So this will keep us safe, we are following it. Yes, so every day you will be, I think you may be watching the videos and studying on time. If you are studying on time, doing your homework regularly, will your work go smoothly? Yes, so if you're following all these rules, of course children, your work will also become more efficient. Okay, so these rules are for everyone and they are equal to everyone. Okay, now if we don't obey certain rules, yes, if you don't listen at home, do your mother, father sometimes punish you, is it? In the same way, when these rules are not followed by us, even in our, we are having certain punishments are equal to everyone. So we are having equality on the basis of rules. Now we'll start with changes in rules for the society. So children, our society is running with the help of rules, and these rules are made by ourselves. These rules are done or meant for common good, means for everybody's goodness these rules are made. And if we want any change according to the situation, we can do change in these rules. So children, we had also seen at the beginning one more rule. Yes, first one was traffic rule, next was society rule, and third one was, very good, that is nature's rule. Yes, so society rules can be changed. Yes, now if you will see, we had in March we had complete lockdown, but afterwards, after some days, this lockdown was changed, some rules were changed in this. Yes, now we are having same, again we are having the lockdown. So did you see some change in these rules? So first we were not at all allowed to come out. Slowly they started, little of the facilities they had started. Now as the virus is spreading, they have again made the lockdown. So according to the situation, can you see the rules are changing nowadays? Yes, why are they changing? According to our need, according to the situation. But in nature's rules, children, there is never any change. So in these days, you have seen man is sitting at home and they have to sit at home, is it? But did you see any change in the nature's rule? No, we in March we were at home, it was summer season. Yes, but now it is a rainy season. Is it raining nowadays? Of course rainy season has started. So there are no changes in nature's rule. So we can see example like sun's rising, setting of sun, okay, changes in the season, law of gravity, rising and falling of tides, phases of moon, is it? So these are the laws of nature, and did you see any change in this? No. So what we have learned, that is societies or social rules can be changed, but nature's rule cannot be changed. Nature's rules are always fixed and constant, they never become outdated. Okay, but human rules can be changed according to the condition. So in the British rules, if you have seen the British rules, India during British rule and today's India, are there different rules or there are change? Yes, surely you have studied all these things. So during British time, how the India was, is it same today? Of course no, it is, there are variety of changes in the rules. Now so you all may be knowing elections, is it? So for this election we need to do voting. Yeah, now to do voting, children, we also need to pass or need to finish certain age limit. So after independence, the age limit to do voting was 21 years, but After 1988, this voting age was lowered and it was brought to 18 years. So you can see here the human rules are changing as per the situation. Now children, always remember that we are having boys and girls, men's and women's, and even rich, poor, high class, low class. Yeah. So this all types of people we are having in a society. So you have to remember that we have to give equal opportunities for each and everyone in our society. And when we give them equal opportunities, then only there will be development of a country. So always keep in mind, boys and girls, men's and women's should be treated equally. In some of the families in society, we see discrimination between boys and girls. In such families, girls' condition is very confused. Teacher teaches us that people of every age need nourishing food. But in some of the families, boys are given more nourishing food as compared to the girls. Similarly, they consider that boys need more nourishment than the girls. So, girls are not only discriminated with the food, but also they are not given proper education. They are allowed or they are made to do more work at the home. They are not given clothes and many other things. So in our society we have other sections where we can see injustice, like we can see injustice to the weaker section, to the old people, to the illiterate people. They are also treated very badly in our society. But this is very, very wrong. Rules are made to ensure that no injustice is done. So each and every section, it may be old or it may be poor, everyone should be given proper justice in our society. So now we will see or answer can you tell on page number 29. Here they have given 6 rules which are having specific purpose. Some of the rules are having more purpose. That purposes we are going to discuss now. The first rule, that is prohibition against loudspeakers in public places after 10 o'clock at night. Prohibition means to stop. Okay. So now if we will see, public places means of course there will be some hospitals, there will be some people living around, or in that people there may be aged people, there may be some small people, children. Okay, so if we play loudspeakers after 10 o'clock, then it may harm. Yes, it may harm the aged people. They are not able to sleep. Smaller children or the children or students, those who are studying at night time, will not be able to concentrate at their studies. Now we have seen in public places even there are hospitals. So if you are playing or if there are loudspeakers after 10 o'clock, then the patients in that hospital also cannot rest properly. Now the second rule, that is free primary education for boys and girls. Should this rule be followed, children? Yes, of course this rule should be followed, because primary education is the basic education which help us to learn, to build something. Yeah. So if this in our society, if we'll see, most of the section of our society is deprived of education because they are poor or they are not getting that facilities. If we provide free facilities to them, then they will also be able to learn and write, and the person should be literate, means educated to handle or to work properly in this society. Now the next rule, that is prohibition against dumping garbage in the river. Is this rule correct? Yes. So what will be the reason for this rule? Yeah, we should do or we should follow this rule only because to save the marine or the aquatic life. Yeah, they are also human beings, or they are not human beings, sorry, they are also living things, is it? So if we dump means if we throw garbage in the river side or near the river or in the river, that garbage may be degradable or it will be non-degradable. Yes, if it is non-degradable, it will be dangerous to the aquatic life, it will harm that, there will be pollution. Yes, so this may lead to, or this may lead harm to the aquatic life, so we must not dump the garbage in the river. So next, that is fourth one, protection against domestic violence for women. This is an important rule which has been assigned, because even in today's generation there is violence against women, means they are beaten at home only for the some of the reasons, like dowry. Dowry means asking for money from their mother and father, or for some other thing, demanding. There are demanding men who wants many things from their wives' parents. Okay, so as if they don't bring, then they are beating that particular women. So in order to protect women, this law has been done. There are also certain other reasons because of what women are being harassed in their houses, so you can find it out and note it down. Okay, now the next one, that is ban on child labor. As in our country we see there is poverty, helplessness, because of that children are forced to work in the places like hotels, in the factories. Okay, so it is very dangerous for the children, as they don't get food, 2 times food also some of them are not getting, children, because of the poverty. So they are forced to work in the hotels to earn and to eat. They are also made to work in the factories, hazardous places which may be dangerous for their life. So to stop this particular law has been done. And the next thing, that is ban on felling trees, hunting and poaching. Okay, so here in the earlier days, there we have seen that many trees had been cut down. Yes, they were hunting lot of animals, and to stop this all, this rule was been formed. Now because of felling of trees, there was deforestation. Deforestation means there was decrease in number of trees, and as there was decrease in number of trees, it leads to global warming. It leads to drought in some of the places. We also see there is decrease in groundwater level. Now the next thing, that is hunting. Because of hunting of the animals, we have seen that there is decrease in some of the species. Some of the species are not available nowadays in nature. So this law has been enacted.